In today's video, I'm going to teach you protect PDF file from copying, editing, or printing using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock down your PDF so others can view it but can't print, edit, or copy its contents. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you are using the Pro version since some security options aren't available in the standard Acrobat reader. Once the file is open, go to the Tools area. If you don't see Tools at the top, look for the Tools tab or the Tools pane in your interface. From there, select Protect. This is where Acrobat groups all the document security features. Inside Protect, choose Encrypt. Depending on your version, you might see an Advanced Options menu. If so, click Advanced Options and then select Encrypt with Password. Acrobat may prompt you with a message asking to change the document's security. Click Yes to proceed. This simply enables the settings you are about to configure. Now it's time to set permissions. Check the box that says Restrict editing and printing of the document. When you enable this, Acrobat reveals more controls and asks for a permissions password. Enter a strong password here. This is not the password to open the document, but the password required to change or remove these restrictions later. Keep it in a safe place, because without it, you won't be able to modify these settings. Under Printing Allowed, choose None to disable all printing. Under Changes Allowed, also choose None to block any form of editing. Next, uncheck Enable copying of text, images, and other content. This prevents users from selecting and copying material out of your PDF. These three settings together ensure the document can be viewed, but not printed, changed, or copied. When everything looks good, click OK. Acrobat will ask you to re-enter the permissions password to confirm. Type it again carefully to avoid typos. If your PDF has multiple versions or elements, Acrobat may display a compatibility warning. That's normal, just continue. Finally, save the PDF to apply the restrictions. Choose File and Save. If you want to keep an unrestricted original for your own use, consider using Save As and giving this protected copy a clear name so you can tell them apart later. After saving, you can reopen the file to verify the security settings and confirm that printing, editing, and copying are disabled. That's it. Thanks for watching.